Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to install unknown source app on the Oppo A5x. Now, let's say if you want to install an app or a file from your Google Chrome web browser. Now, as you can see, as we try to install the app, it will show this error. Now, to install unknown source app on your Oppo A5x, first of all, just go to your home screen and open settings. From here, just tap on security and privacy. Then tap on more security settings. Now on this page you will find the option of installation sources. Just tap on it. And from here just enable the toggle for the app from which you want to install an app or a file. In our case, we want to install an app from the Google Chrome web browser. So I will enable the toggle in front of the Google Chrome. Then select allow. And the same goes with all the other apps from which you want to install an app or a file. Now, as you can see, if we go back to the Chrome web browser, and if we try to install this app, the error will disappear, just like that. And this is how you can install unknown source app on the Oppo A5x. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.